Conditions. This is how she sits. My baby, my baby, my baby. Listen. Yes. So, what's going on? As you can see in the previous video, basically having idle issues. I haven't changed the spark plugs since I bought the bike. So, purchased new spark plugs, and I'll show how I remove the old. We'll look at the old and install the new. We'll see how this goes. I don't have anything to really hold my camera up, so, but I'll just still try it. We'll attempt it. See what's up. So, basically, let's start off with, there was a bolt here. I'll also remove the bolt here so I can lift the tank up. Beneath the tank is the fuel pump. There's going to be a hose to a clamp. I don't know if you can see it. And there's also going to be a wiring connected. So I'll disconnect those, remove this whole tank off. Okay, once we got the tank removed, remove this plug in here. Okay, now here's where Allen comes in. Moving, I don't know if you can see it on the camera. There goes one there, and there's another one in right there. We'll remove those, remove the filter. I'm sorry, I just had my camera set to the wrong settings, but I'll still add that to the video. Let's see. Alright, so once you got that removed, and got your plugs here, lift up on those. Got the plugs removed, got the wires removed. These are the plugs, spark plugs. Not looking too bad. Yeah. Start dropping in my new ones. Alright, so that was the removal to remove all the parts. Basically reverse the process. So I'm going to go ahead and install these parts, and then we'll start the bike up and see what's going on. Alright, so I just put the spark plugs in, took the old ones out, got the new ones in. I didn't mount the tank completely on yet. I'll start the bike and see how it runs. Skipping a beat. Not skipping a beat. Hold on. That's not skipping a beat. That concludes this video. I gotta pick my stuff up and go pick the kids up. So I'll test ride it and see how it goes. But so far at idling, it's not skipping the beat at all. It's, you know, at first it was up, down, up, down. Now it's good. Put the rest of my stuff together and I'm out.